Ding dong. Package has been delivered to reception. Oh, good, good. Let me go to check. All right, let me go to check. Whoa, thanks God. Yeah, delivers here. Ooh, very nice. Yep. Always locked off. Okay. Alright, let me open the box. Hi everyone, Trusted. Welcome back to my channel. So I received a delivery 3 days ago, and I didn't open it because due to the COVID-19. So I lived there 3 days. I just put some alcohols, you know. So that's why today is the time to unboxing it. So let's get it, find out what is here. So let's get it, find out what is inside. Whoa, look at this, bro. My goodness, so beautiful. Look. Wow, what is this? This is a flexible tripod. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, you see? So you can use this one with the iPhones, any phones, okay, and DSLR camera, managed camera, everything. Okay. And what is this? So this is the cable. So this is the cable. Let me open it up. Okay. 1 second. Okay, I can show this way. It's better, I think. Okay, let me open it. Okay, perfect. So this is the cable for my camera, Canon M50, so that I can transfer the videos or pictures, so any file from the camera to the computer. You can use this one with any computer, Macs or any PC. Okay, if you need this one, I put in the link description below. You can check right here. Okay, and they sent me this one too. Thanks God. So this is the SD card reader. They sent me free. Let me open it. You can use this one with any SD card. So you see, this is the big one. One is here, and another two right here. Yeah, this is cool. This is very cool. Yeah, I need this one too. It's very nice. Okay. All right. Let me put this one here, and let me open the tripod. So now I'm gonna open the tripod, how it looks like. Let me open it. Wow, it's not heavy, it's very light. Look, my goodness. Wow. Wow, it's really nice. It's really beautiful, bro. Look at this. Yeah, I feel it very high quality. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look. So beautiful, man. You see? I can do like this, do like this, where you want to put, no problem. This is very flexible, very flexible, and you can open it, you can adjust it like this. See, Wow, this is very nice. So this is much better than the Gorilla. So that's why I bought this one. I have the Gorilla before, so Gorilla is not good sometimes. So many people like this one, so that's why I ordered this one, you know. So this one you can use the phone, and you can put the phone on the top. You can put the phone on the top. How it open? Let me see. I don't know how to open it, bro. Oh, right here. Wow, this is so fancy, man. Yeah, you can put the phone here. You see? And you can put the GoPro here too. You can put the GoPro here too, I think. If this is big, and you can put the GoPro on the top. If you want to use for the GoPro, you can put on the top. Look at this. See? So outside is plastic, and this is metal, I think. This is metal too. Or maybe this is, yeah, this is plastic too, I think. I don't know, rubber, maybe plastic. So this is the metal. On the bottom, it's like that. And this is not too big. You see? Yeah, you look. This much. It's not too long. And very light. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like it, share it, subscribe, and leave the comment below. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you in my next video, and peace.